Good morning children, welcome back to online classes. So children, in previous class I have given the revision for unit 11, that is a universe. I hope you all are written that all the notes in your ABS notebook. So today children, I am going to take the revision for unit 12, that is a safety and travels. So let me explain very briefly. So when you are take care of yourself, then only you will save from the dangerous things. So how to take care of ourselves? How to will keep ourselves safe from the dangerous things? So there is a certain rules are there children. There is a certain rules are there, we have to follow it. If you follow, then only you will save from the dangerous things. If you are in the school, you have to follow the school rules. You should not play in the classroom. If you play in the classroom, then what will happen? You will get the hurt by the decks. So we should not play in the classroom. We should not run on the stairs. We should go very slowly and we should come back also very slowly only. When you are walking on the stairs. Stairs means what? Steps. Okay children, we should not rush in the school van. We have to follow the line. Clear children, we should go one by one inside of the van. When you are playing the game in the PE period or in the ground, you should not push to any children. You should not harm to any children. So these are some rules you have to follow in the school children. Like that, there is a rules are there on the road also. When you are walking on the road, when you are crossing the road, you have to follow the rules. Traffic lights you have to follow. There is the signals. You have to follow that signals. When the light off, you should move. When the light is on, only you should wait for till that light should off. Clear children? We should not play on the road. We should not talk on the road when you are crossing the road especially. Clear children? Always use the zebra crossing to cross the road. That is on the road, there is a black and white strips are there. So we have to use that zebra crossing to cross the road. Suppose if you don't know the rules only, then you can ask to the people who knows that rules. Why we have to stand and why we have to wait for that lights. Clear children? You have to clarify. Then only you will come to know what is the importance of that rules. If you not follow the rules on the road, then each minutes we can see there is accident. Each minutes, not I am saying the hours, each minutes we can see the numbers of accidents. So we have to follow the traffic rules. Clear children? So again there is a rules. If you go to the fair, mela or jatra, you can see, if you go to the fair, you should hold the elder's finger very tightly. You should hold the hand very tightly. Why? Because in the fair we can see the crowd is more. People are more. They gather in the large number in the fair time. So you should not leave the hands. You should very tightly you hold the elder's hand. Clear children? Next point, next rules. If you lost in the fair, you are able to say your name, phone number, your home address. If you lost, if any person got you, he can back to your home. And he can be taken back to your family again. If you know the phone number and your house, where house address we say, which area you are belongs. If you know these all the things, then any person can be taken back to your house, back to your family again children. Clear? So when you are crossing the road, one more thing children, when you are crossing the road, always you have to see the both direction, left, right, both direction you have to see, and then you have to cross the road. Clear children? So these are the some rules you have to follow in the roadside and in the school also. If you follow these all the rules, then only you will save from the dangerous things. Clear children? Like that, there is again numbers of things are there. When you are playing the game in the sports time especially, the PE master will explain you what is the rules. how to run, how to follow, everything he will explain very detailed. So you have to follow that rules when you are playing in the game. Okay children, when you are in the school, when you are on the road, when you are playing any games, or when you are skating, when you are riding the cycle, when you are playing the boxing, when you are playing the cricket, when you are doing the swimming. So for all those things there is a rules are there. If you follow, then only you will safe. Take the one example for the cricket only. The cricketers, the players, they will, who is doing the batting, he always will always cover their head with the helmet only. You know, cap, and then here is the helmets. Why? Why the helmet he should use? Why the cap he should use? Because if the ball hit on his head, he should not be get the damage. Clear children, he should not get the hurt. So they are using the helmet. They will use the hand pad, leg pad, everything they will use, because that things it's protect from that ball. Clear children? So like that, when you are riding, you will use the helmet, gloves, shoes, everything you will use. Why? If you fell down, then your brain, your head should not get hurt by the anything. When you are doing the boxing, you will wear the gloves, boxing gloves. Why should not get the hurt? So like that, numbers of rules are there, numbers of things we will use to keep our self safe from the dangerous things. Clear children? So by using the numbers of things, we will keep our body safe from the dangerous things. Clear children? Yes. So these are all the things we have discussed in the safety and travel lesson. So children, how you will travel? Safety I have explained. Now how you will travel? You will travel by vehicles. Yes or no? Why do we need to travel children? Why do we need to travel? To go to school, colleges, to go to office, to move from one place to another place, to see the new places, and then to go to the pilgrimage, means what, holy places. So for these all the things we need the traveling. So we are going by bus, train or aeroplane. So we say that traveling is very important to move from one place to another place. We cannot always stay in the one place only. We have to move from one place to another place. We like to move from here to there. 6 months I am in the house only. The next month I want to go in my native place. We are not to change my mind, because we human beings, we cannot stick in the one place only. We want to move. We want to like to move one place to another place, to see the different places. So the tourists are coming from the out of country. They will see the India. They will see the numbers of statues. They will see the numbers of states. Those are called the tourists. Tourists who travel and see the numbers of places. You will see the different places. Clear children? So all the vehicles move on the road, we know that. To move the vehicles, there is a 4 tires are there. Some vehicle have the 4 tires, 4 wheels. We say some vehicle have the 2 wheels, some vehicle have the 3, 6, 8, 10. Like that, numbers of wheels are there to run on the road. You know children? Cycle, scooter have the 2 wheels. Then auto rickshaw we say. Auto rickshaw, tempo have the 3 wheels. Bus, tractor, truck, they have the 4 to 6 wheels. Railway have the train we say. Train have the numbers of wheels. Clear children? And these all vehicles, they move on the road. Just now I said no. Buses, cars, scooter, tractor, truck, lorry. These all vehicles, they move on the road only. So those are called the road transport. Those are called the road transport. They move on the road only. One place to another place, they move on the road only. So they are called the road transport. Sometimes we will go by the boat also. Boat, ship, children, those they move in the water. So those are called the water transport. Those are called the water transport. Sometimes if you are going to the out of country, Singapore, America, you will go by aeroplane. You will go by aeroplane. Yes or no? Yes, that is called the air transport. What is called? Air. It's moving in the air. Clear, children? So we have the three transport. First is the road transport, water transport and the air transport. Road transport, vehicles move on the road. Water transport, boat and ship move in the water. Air transport, helicopter, aeroplane, rocket, they move in the air only. That is called the air transport. Okay, children? Some animals also, they help us to move from one place to another place. Especially in the desert, we can see the camel. Camel help us to move from one place to another place because camel can survive for a long time without water. It keeps the water in its hump only. Clear? We will use the horse also, horse cart. Yes, the horse cart, tanga you say. Sometimes we will enjoy the horse riding also. We will use the bullocks also. Bullock cart we say, oxen cart. We will sit and move from near place. We can move here and there. So like that we are using the donkey also to loads. We are keeping the loads on its back to move not a far. Here only, very near place we will use for the donkey to keep the loads. Like that we are using the animal also. Numbers of animals are that we are using for our use. In that elephant, it's carry the big logs also, big wood. Yes, so let's carry the grass also. Sometimes we will enjoy the elephant riding also. We will sit on its back and we will enjoy the riding. Yeah, children. So these animals, they walk on the road only. These animals, they walk on the road only and they are very useful to us children. So like that, other vehicles also there. We also see the different kinds of vehicles which move on the road. That is, the first one is the police van. Yes, no. Many times we can see. Then hospital van. Yes. Then we can see the yes, children. We can see the hospital van, then police van, and sometimes we can also see the fire tender. Fire tender means what? Which off the fire. If anywhere fire is happened, then we will call to the fire tender. Okay. So we can see the fire tender vehicles also. Then we can see the tank also, which is used by the army to guard, to protect our country. So these are the vehicles we can see on the road. Yes. So we see the different, or we see the special vehicles which move on the roads, which are that police van, hospital van, then fire tender and the tank. Tank we can see in the border side. They helps to protect our country. Clear, children? So these are all the things we have discussed in this lesson. Now it is time to revise the exercise whatever I have given for you people. We'll see one by one. So in that, children, first main. Now remove your EVS notebook, children. Remove the EVS notebook. Write the day and date. You should write the day and date. Then write the unit number 12. Lesson name, safety and travels, and then write revision. And don't do the spelling mistake, children. Copy correctly. Each and every word should be correct. So write first one. Answer the following. Answer the following. What is the first one? Why do people travel? First one. Why do people travel? So tell me, children, why do the people travel? They want to go office, school, colleges. They want to move from one place to another place. They want to see the different places. They want to see the pilgrimage places, means holy places. So the people travels. Clear, children? Right answer. People travel. People travel to. Read the first one. A. Go to school or colleges. Go to school or colleges. Go to school or colleges. Go to work. Go to work means what? Office. Go to work. Next, tell me children. Visit friends and families. Visit friends and family. Okay, children. Next, to see the new places. To see the new places. To see new places. Okay, children. So write neatly and correctly. To see the new places. Then last one. A, B, C, D. One more I will give. Okay, children. What is the last? Go on to visit the holy places. To visit the holy places. So what is that? Go to school or colleges. Go to work. Visit friends and families. If there is any function, marriage function, opening ceremony, then you will go. To see new places. To visit the holy places. Next one. How would you travel to a place in another country? How would you travel to a place in another country? Answer. How you will travel, children? Tell me in the another place. How you will go? How would you travel to a place in another country? One country to another country. Tell me how you will travel. Tell me, children. Yes, you will go by aeroplane or by ship or by train. Yes or no? Yes, write that. We travel by and we travel by an aeroplane, or by ship to a place in another country. See what I given here answer. Just you can see. We travel by an aeroplane or by ship to a place in another country. Okay, children. So after finish the one answer, children, you have to keep the line. So after finish the one answer, you have to keep the line, children. Now the next one. Who is tourist? Next, who is a tourist? Tourist means what, children? Like from other country, the people comes to visit. People comes to see the places in India. They are called the tourists, like foreigners. We say no? Yes, foreigners. They travel to see the new places. They are called the tourists. Who is a tourist? Who is a tourist? Answer. A person who travels to a person who travels to a person who travels to see new places, to see new places is called a tourist. So what is the answer here? Question is what? Who is a tourist? A person who travels to see new places is called a tourist. Okay, children? So after finish the one answer, you have to keep the line. We'll go to the next one. The third one. Name three places of. Fourth one. Name three places of pilgrimage now we have the pilgrimage is what, children? Pilgrimage is what? Holy places. Okay, children? So they ask the three places only. So what is the three places? Tell me, children. Yes. The three places are Amarnath, then Kedarnath, and last one Vishnu Devi. So these are the three places of pilgrimage. What is that? Amarnath, Kedarnath and Vaishno Devi. Okay, children? So after finish the one answer, you have to keep the line, children. You have to keep the line. Don't do the any spelling mistake. Write correctly. Now the next main, children. Second main. Draw the numbers of, what is second main here? Draw the numbers of wheels. Wheels means what? Tire. Okay, children? Draw the numbers of wheels each of these vehicles have. These vehicles have. So in that, what is the first one? First I will write here. First, that is a cycle, and Scooter. Okay. Next one. B1. Car. Jeep. And van. Next one. C1. Boat. Next we'll see bus, not D, no? Bus and truck. Okay, children, bus and truck. Next is train. Okay, now we'll draw the wheels. What they ask here, draw the numbers of wheels each of these vehicles have. Now how many wheels have? These all the vehicles, children, we have to draw one by one. Now tell me, cycle and scooter, how many wheels are there, children, for the cycle and scooters? Yes, that is a 2 wheels. Draw the 2 wheels, children. Yes. Next, car, jeep and the van. How many wheels are there? Yes, it's have the 4 wheels. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Draw the 4 wheels, children. How many wheels? 4 wheels you have to draw. Now we'll draw the 4 wheels here. Yes. Next, both have any wheels? No wheels. Then keep the dash. Means what? No wheels. Bus and the truck. How many wheels are there? 6 wheels. How many? 6 wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will write train down, children. The 6. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Bus and truck have the 6 wheels. Now next one is what I have written here. Train. Train have the numbers of wheels. Yeah, children. Train have the numbers of wheels. Yes or no? Yes. It's more than 30. We cannot draw that all the things. Okay, children. So this is about the wheels. Cycle and scooter have the 2 wheels. Car, jeep, van have the 4 wheels. Both don't have the any wheels only, so it is a empty, no wheels. Bus and truck have the 6 wheels. Train have the more than 30 wheels. Like that auto rickshaw have the 3 wheels. Okay, children. So this is the revision for safety and travel I have done for you people. Now here your duty is you have to complete this revision in your EVS notebook. So this is the last revision, children, I have finished for you people. Now your work, you have to study, you have to learn this all the things and prepare for the exam. Clear, children? The homework is what you? The homework is what, dear children? This revision you should write the one time in your EVS notebook. So this is the last revision, children. I have finished. I have completed all the revision one by one, minute by minute. I have finished all the revision. Now you complete your notebook, your classwork by seeing this all the revision videos. And these notes I am not going to send in the assignment. You have to copy down this from video only. Clear children? Write one by one, very clean, very neat, without doing the any spelling mistake children. You have to complete your notes. Clear? Yes. So complete the classwork, take a photocopy and then send me in the app children. Thank you children.